Okay, you got a rare day out of me. I'm frying some chicken. This came from the store that all seasoned up like this. But I gotta use this chicken today, so I haven't fried anything in a while. So I'm gonna fucking fry it. When I was a kid, or I was like 20, 21, I think I was, before I was 21, uh, I left the stove on, like cooking some chicken nuggets or something, and I burned down a kitchen. Sucked. It sucked so bad. And plus, I hate the cleanup of this fucking oil. So, yeah, you got a rare one today. Gonna fry some chicken. Watch. So I just coated these thighs. I got 3 of them. You fucking saw in the last take. Anyway, this is flour, and I put salt and pepper and cayenne pepper, some garlic salt, and some smoked paprika. Mix it all around, and then I did this. Did all that, cover it all in that flour mixture, and these just came out of the fridge. So I'm gonna let it sit for a half hour because you don't want cold going into your hot oil, or else it just cools the oil down real quick and it doesn't work out right. So I'm letting these heat up to room temperature for a good half hour after I've already coated them in the flour mixture. But yeah, that's how you do. Either leave your chicken out before or do it after. This is your friggin' chicken, because you're gonna do this at home, right guys? Because I don't just want to make these videos for nothing, but even if that's the case, I'd still do it to get some content on YouTube, right? That's why I'm doing this. So yeah, be back in a little bit. So I'm just doing it in a shallow little pan like this, because I friggin' hate dealing with this shit, cleaning it up. So why waste a bunch of shit, you know? Anyway, here we go. Here we go. I'm only doing one at a time. Yeah, we'll see how this works out. There's the first one. Looking all friggin' juicy and legit. We'll try it out when it's all done, or I might dig in here in a minute. Let it rest a minute. Looking awesome. I know it's a little red in there, but I've actually seen that before on chicken, and it's an all good thing. It's just part of the deal when you fry chicken. I used to work at a fried chicken place, and some guy complained about that one time, and the owner had to deal with him, and he's like, yeah, that happens. This is what happens with chicken. It's all good though, you know, so don't think I'm fucking up here because you see some red in there. It's all part of it when you do a legit style. Alright, back to it. By the way, here's the second piece. There we go, second piece, the inside. Third piece, looking juicy as fuck. Yeah, guys, friggin' delicious. So easy. What did I miss here? I think I want to tell you something. I think it's all good. Yeah, this ain't the best way to cook chicken or fried chicken one at a time, but that's how I'm doing it for this video. Turned out awesome. Tastes hella fucking good. I love fried chicken. I just don't like to do it myself because of cleanup and possible fire hazard. Anyway, not if you're careful about it, you know. which we're doing. Not like when I was 20 years old. But there you go, guys. Try it out at home. Super easy. Just follow my instructions. You'll be having chicken like this in the convenience of your own home. Alright, thanks for checking in with what I'm doing today. Please smash that like button and subscribe button. Please feel free to leave a comment and please share with your friends. Find me on Facebook under Facebook.com/Chronic Eats, and find me on Instagram at chronic.eats. Alright, you guys. Thanks. Have a great night. Chronic Eats out. Peace.